Did you know the lyrebird can mimic almost any sound it hears, including chainsaws and camera shutters? This extraordinary bird, native to Australia, is considered one of the world's best mimics in the animal kingdom. Lyrebirds have an incredible vocal range and can imitate not only other birds but also everyday sounds from their environment. Park rangers have reported lyrebirds copying car alarms, barking dogs, and even the clicks of camera shutters from nearby visitors. Their ability to replicate such a variety of noises helps them attract mates and protect their territory. A male lyrebird's impressive repertoire of sounds can convince rivals to stay away and impress potential partners during the breeding season. Next time you hear a strange noise in the Australian bush, listen closely. It might just be a lyrebird showing off its unbelievable vocal skills.